Hello, welcome to Treflo Publishers. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create your YouTube channel. To do that, use Google Chrome browser. So when you get to your Google Chrome browser, type in youtube.com or www.youtube.com. Then this icon here, yes, this icon is showing my email address that has been signed in on my Chrome browser. So when I get here, I'll click on the icon and then click on your channel. So it's saying use YouTube as Oluwatoyin Atunise. I want to use it as something else, so I'll change the name. I want to put in the name that I want my channel to bear, like Treflo Media, something like this. So when I am done with this, I'll click on create. So this Treflo Media is the name my YouTube channel will bear. You put your own if you don't want the name that is on your email address. If you want to use it for anything, maybe you want to use it for fashion or whatever, you put in the name you want your YouTube channel to bear. Then you click on create channel. So when you click on create channel here, you are done. I mean, you have created your channel already. So you can just go to your YouTube app now. Go to your YouTube app to finish up the setup of your channel. So you click on the three dots. I want to change this one. I want to switch the account to another one, to the one I just created, Treflo Media. Okay, can we see Treflo Media? So all right, you can actually create your YouTube channel on your YouTube app too. Yes, you can create it on your YouTube app. Let me show you. You click on the email that is signed on, the icon of the email that is signed on your YouTube. Okay, look at this particular one that says no channel, or this one that says no channel. Let me use it to explain what I'm trying to say. So I have picked the email address. I will now come to your channel, just like we had it there. The name here is Treflo Publishers. If I want the name to change, just like we change it there, I will change it. I'll change the picture, then I'll click on this create channel. Is this understood? Yes, thank you. Okay, so I was talking about editing or setting up your newly created channel. So you click on, then you go to your channel. Okay, no, let's come back. Click on this icon again. Okay, let's come to click on the Treflo Media itself. Then you click on edit channel. Okay, so when you click on edit channel, here you are to sorry please. Here you are to change the your DP, then give your channel a logo or maybe a banner. Then if you still want to edit the name, you edit it here. You add a subscription. Subscription here is talking about what your channel is all about, what you want to be doing on your channel. Maybe it is an educative channel, you want to be posting things related to education. Maybe it is entertainment purpose. Maybe it is for news, maybe breaking news. Maybe it's for sports. Maybe it's for children cartoon. Anything you want to be doing on your YouTube channel, you add it under this description. It can take up to 1,000 words. And then under this privacy, you uncheck these places, since you want a lot of people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So you don't have to make it private. You uncheck these places. And when you are done, you go back, and then you can begin to upload your video. So how do you upload video? You click on this plus sign here. You can see create a short video or upload a video. So if you already have the video uploaded already, recorded already on your phone, you click on upload video and you do necessary editing, and your video will go live. Thank you for watching this video.